Good day, everyone. I am Jane Ubas, BPA 1A. In this video, I will be sharing my reflection on Republic Act 8491, also known as the Flag of Heraldic Code of the Philippines. So, why it is important to know and respect the Philippine flag, anthem, and other national symbols? It is important to know and respect the Philippine flag, anthem, and other national symbols because they represent our country's history, freedom, and unity. They remind us to love and be proud of being Filipinos. And the second one, how do these symbols strengthen our national flag, identity, and unity as a Filipinos? These symbols strengthen our national identity and unity by reminding us that we are one people with shared history and values. They inspire pride and bring Filipinos together. And the last one, choose that you think is most relevant today and explain why. So I think Philippine flag is most relevant today because it represents our independence and unity as a people. It is important since it reminds us to value our freedom and to work together. For example, in our community, the flag is raised every Monday during students to be proud and represent citizens. On a national level, that flag is flown during calamities and important events, sharing hope, strength, and solidarity of Filipinos. And that's the three questions I must answer.